Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can request payment on Payoneer. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Payoneer account. As you can see that, then you need to click on Get Paid. And here you have two options: request a payment, receiving accounts. You simply need to click on Request a Payment, and once you are on that page, so it will take few seconds. So here you can select a pay. So here you can see that I have two pay, so I'm going to select the first one. Okay, and here I'm going to put an amount. So let's suppose 500 euro. You can select currency, that is USD GBP. Here you need to mention the description and payment due date, and then you need to click on next. And so here you need to, so I'm going to for business, click on next. And here you need to attach a document, and then you need to click on request payment. So this is a process by which you can request payment on Payoneer. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.